Indu Krishnan, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Guys, welcome to episode 1 of Blended Like Indu series. I am so happy to do the Blended Like Indu series, guys. In this series, there will be 4 episodes, I think, on how to do your base makeup, how to do your contour blush highlight, how to get a simple eye look, and also how to do your lipstick. It'll be a 4-part series, and in each series, I'll tell in detail on each of these topics. So I'm very excited for the series. I hope you like it too. So today is going to be episode 1 of Blended Like Indu series, and in today's episode, we're going to see how to get the perfect base makeup. That will be the episode 1. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so this is what you'll need for today's video: primer, concealer, color corrector, foundation and loose powder. Okay guys, I've already cleansed my face thoroughly with this Dot & Key Cica Calming face wash. Next, I'm gonna use toner from the same range. Skincare is very important before applying makeup, guys. When you do proper skincare is when your foundation, your concealer and all the other products that you layer on top applies more smoothly and gives an even look. Okay guys, next we are gonna use a moisturizer. I'm using the Garnier moisturizer, and hydrate your skin very well. Moving on to a very important step, sunscreen. During the day, guys, sunscreen is one of the most important skincare steps. Your makeup alone doesn't usually provide enough sun protection. Many makeup products are now coming out with SPF, however, applying sunscreen as part of your skincare is very important, guys. Next, we are gonna use a primer. Primer is applied after skincare, guys, and before foundation or other makeup. It helps create like a smooth base and help makeup last longer. So what a primer does is it will fill in the lines and pores that you have and make the makeup look more flawless overall. Okay guys, I usually do not use a color corrector, but today I'm gonna show how I use it. A color corrector is used to neutralize unwanted skin discoloration before applying concealer or your foundation. So basically on your dark spots and pigmentation, when you use a color corrector, it removes the unwanted color first, and when you apply concealer on top of that, it gives a more natural finish. Okay guys, using a concealer brush, all I'm doing is blend. Now the skin will look orange because we are using the orange color corrector, right? So next we are going to use a concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Usually after my skincare, I go in with the foundation and then concealer. But today, since I'm using a color corrector, I'm going to go with concealer first and then foundation. Now, wherever I applied my color corrector, right, that is where I had dark spots and pigmentation. So over that, I've applied my concealer. Next, guys, we are gonna use a foundation. Here, I'm taking a small quantity because my concealer was really thick. Also, guys, in general, I feel less is more when you're doing makeup or skincare and layering products. It makes the overall look more skin-like and not cakey. Blend, guys. That's a very important step in makeup. The more you blend, the smoother finish it gives. Always take your time for each step, guys, and make sure it is blended well. Also, guys, you can use a sponge or a brush to apply foundation and concealer. I love using a brush, so yeah. Next, guys, it is time to set the face. So I'm taking the Estee Lauder loose powder. Guys, using a pizza puff is the best way to set the under eye, especially you must have seen a lot of people using that. I don't have that right now, but I have the small round puff that I'm gonna use. Just take a little bit of loose powder, press it under your eye gently. I used to leave it till I finish my eye look, guys, but I feel the best way is to set your face first and then move on to the next steps. Now take a powder brush and gently run it over the area where you have applied your loose powder, guys. I also drag the brush to the entire face to set it. I don't take any extra powder. Just use the powder that's in the under eye and drag it to the whole face. Guys, look at that base. It looks so flawless yet skin-like, not cakey anywhere. And that is how we get a flawless base makeup, guys. Guys, this is the final look. Guys, I hope you really liked this episode 1 of Blended Like Indu series. There's going to be 3 more episodes, guys, so stay tuned to that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.